Let's get this thing
Is
open.
that thing greasy?
It's greasy. It is. It is greasy. Oh yeah. All right.
Oh.
It's got some nice congealed fat on it. Let's go ahead and get a look at that. It's just pig feet, guys. It's not that bad. All right. So right off the bat, it just smells like fat. Just fat.
Wonderful.
So there is vinegar. It does have, it does have some vinegar. So,
It does.
It has
Fat.
oh my gosh. It's almost like like a chicken thigh. Ashley's dying over there.
That's poo.
So,
That's
all right.
so.
so sloppy and
It just
There's
looks,
a tendon hanging off of it.
it just looks like a chicken thigh to me. There you go.
Whoop.
do you have a favorite dog?
Oh gosh.
Do you have a favorite dog?
I do not. All right, guys. So, pickled pig's feet.
With your finger?
I know it's a diet of red 40. Oh, God Almighty. This is good.
There's a claw.
A claw.
A toenail. I don't know.
Look at just look at this.
What are you supposed to?
I mean,
What are
Why
you?
is it that color?
I don't know, but I'm just gonna eat a little flap of meat. I don't know if I can eat it off the bone.
A little flap. A little flap will do you.
I feel like I'm gonna be sick. I know there's some people screaming at us right now. They just screaming.
I don't know. Oh, so
Oh my God!
it's an oil slick.
I had to bite a chunk off. All right.
No.
Oh, it's an oily mess. It's
It
gotta be-
stinks.
That's a big no. I don't even.
No.